SiftHub has given us the ability to really get our teams the information that they need when they need it. I think that's a critical part of being able to be successful, especially in a team selling environment where you've got a complex product and you've got a complex buyer in some situations. So understanding what information our teams need to get their hands on immediately, if it's in the middle of a presentation or on a Zoom call, how do they get access to the information and really be able to get that to the client as quickly as possible. I think if you can do that and come off of a call where you've got everything completed and covered with the client, you're in a much better situation. One thing I think SiftHub allows us to do is really kind of level the playing field with our SE organization. The SE organization in companies typically is your more senior SEs that have been with the company have a huge advantage over SEs that have just been, come on with the company and haven't gone through as many opportunities and sales cycles and have the experience that the more senior ones are. So I think one of those things that you can do is by using SiftHub, it really gives the SEs, especially the less experienced ones, the confidence that they can get access to the information that they need. It can be at their fingertips. They can use it during a call, during a presentation, so they can be ready and they can be able to impact that meeting. And really, it doesn't have to be something where it takes a year or 2 years of all of this experience of really learning how to go through everything. How can you cut that cycle down and get your SEs ramping more quickly and get them productive more quickly? And I think that's a big advantage with